filming the kid?
Yeah.
That's too fun.
I mean, I'm using a digital zoom. It's a little foggy, but that's all right. I don't think I can get the plane in the video. It's too far away.
No, actually, I'm coming down.
I don't see it. For some reason, the phone does not pick it up. There it is. I got it. I got it.
Dude, right now, the wind's holding it up like a kite.
It's kited for a while. Oh, I got some nice footage here, dude. Real nice footage.
I don't want to go near these kids in the field.
Dude, don't take sharp turns when you're near the ground.
I'm going to try to get a little closer. That's a good one.
Dude, I got great footage.
Yeah, I'm not flying no more. I'm starting to get to a point where it's like, the plane's just all over the place. The wind. It's windy. Thank you, kid. That's it, I'm done.
Dude, you activated the plane retrieval system again.
That's awesome.